How to enable or disable Facebook notification in Samsung Galaxy or any other Android phone. So you need to press and hold the icon of Facebook, and the moment you do it, you will find remove uninstall widgets, and there will be a I exclamation. So you need to click on this I, and there you will find notification permission, and you need to click on notification and just click on allow. You can check notification pop-up app icon badge, and that's it. And if you want to disable it, you just need to toggle this off, and all notification from Facebook will not be shown. So this is how you can turn off and on notification of Facebook in any Android phone. Please subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.